wall. First one we're going to start with is a $25 competitive tape. Hang on, James. You guys all ready with your cameras? Go.
Just hold it there.
Just hold it there?
No, I'm kidding.
Didn't sound too good, did it?
Found it.
Here you have it. Completely broken, non-functional tape measure. Next, we're going to show you what happens with the Milwaukee. Completely functional tape measure. Pretty destructive to the competition, as you can see. Milwaukee is still intact. Durability is the #1 user need when it comes to tape measures. We talk to tons of users in the field. We try to understand what we can do to deliver innovation to them. The first thing they tell us is you need to make a tape measure that lasts more than 2 weeks or lasts more than a month, which is what I'm used to from your competitors. We accomplish the durability because of a 5-point reinforced frame on our housing. We also use premium ABS material, which gives us that 10x longer life from a drop standpoint. Durability is also tied to our nylon coating that we have on our blades. You guys are all familiar with the different and unique sound that Milwaukee has on the tape measures. That's the proprietary blend of nylon coating that we have on our blades, which give us up to 10x longer life from an abrasion resistant standpoint. So 2 huge benefits that we provide our users that give our tape measures up to 10x longer life for our users. So taking a step back, you can see we have a full range of tape measures, and we're actually launching a new range of magnetic tape measures this year. We launched magnetic tape measures in 2013. The program has been wildly successful, and since we launched, we've continued to talk to users and we've continued to read your reviews about ways to improve tape measures. And that's exactly what we set out to do with this relaunch of tape measures that we're going to have this year. First and foremost, we improved the finger stop mechanism, which is actually a patented feature we have on our tape measures, which protects your finger upon retraction. The initial launch was a great launch. The only issue with the finger stop mechanism was when you used it for layout applications, the tape tended to be a little wobbly and tip over. As you can see, we flattened out the base, so now that tape measure won't tip over when you use it for layout applications. Second thing we did, we got a lot of feedback that our hook design was a little too big and a little too wide. You couldn't get it into tight spots. Now you can get that tape measure into tight spots, and you can actually use it as a scoring hook when you're scoring drywall. Lastly, users continue to ask for a more compact and ergonomic tape measure. We took 2 millimeters out of the top and 2 millimeters out of the back to make this thing more compact and ergonomic in your hand, but still providing the durability that our users ask for and demand from a tape measure. So that's our premium line of tape measures, the premium segment, really geared towards our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing trades. This lineup, which we launched last year at the media event, is the general contractor series of tape measures, really geared towards general contractors and carpenters, the guys that don't necessarily need all the bells and whistles that we have on our premium tapes, and also value a tape measure that is durable with the same durability that we have on our premium tapes at a lower price point. So this 25-foot tape retails for $14.99, whereas our premium magnetic series, that 25-foot tape, retails for $24.99. So 2 different price points, 2 different categories from an overall feature standpoint, really going after 2 different user groups. So the first demo we showed you isn't something that you would typically see on a job site, right? Guys aren't slamming their tape measures against the wall like that. We're going to show you a little more realistic demo here. Some of you guys have seen this last year. We're going to show you guys again for anyone that's new. This is actually a demo that represents a 2-story drop, which is actually much more common. Guys drop these things all the time. A lot of times they're working on a rooftop, working on the 2nd floor. This competitive unit recently launched and has a 5-point reinforced frame, so they actually are copying our marketing point from a durability standpoint. As you can see, right where they put that 5th screw is where the tape measure breaks. They're not using premium plastic material in their housing to reinforce the frame. Second competitive tape, this is actually the same one we used over there, and as you might imagine, from a 2-story drop. We're gonna have complete destruction out of this guy. Users are not satisfied with the durability of competitive tape measures. Finally, the Milwaukee. Same test, same 2-story drop, fully functional tape. You can barely even tell that anything was dropped on it. This is tied to the durability, the 5-point reinforced frame, and the premium ABS material we use in our housings, which give our users up to 10x longer life from a durability standpoint.